Hello guys, today we are going to create OTP with simple lines of code by using Python. Go and click on type here to search and search Python 3.11 version. In my previous video I have already posted how to install Python 3.11 version ideally. Click on it and it will open a window. Then go and click on file and new file option. Then it will open a new file for you and go and click on file and again and go and click on save as, and here we have to give it a name for it, and I want to save it in my desktop, and I am giving here that one time password as my file name. And after typing here, go and click on save option, and let's start our code. So here, to choose the random values to generate OTP, we want the random module which is already inbuilt in Python. So first import random module. Now let us learn how to create a random value in integers from 0 to 9 by using random module. So here in random module there is a random function which it creates the only integers, and also in random module we have the choice function which it choose the strings. Now here type that digit 1 is equal to random.randend 0, 9, which is the 0, 9 are the parameters which the random value should be chosen in between 0, 9, including the 0 and 9. And now let's just print the digit 1, and how it will work we will see now. And first save before running it. So here go and click on OK and save it, and then go and this is 3. Here we have seen this 3 had printed. Now I want to just check it once again. So it had printed now 1, and again we can see that it is generating the random value from 0 to 9. This is the random function. Now let's write the code for generating OTP. For that, here I am writing while true. Every time, while true means every time it want to run it, that if you want to play the, if you want to generate the OTP or not, I want to ask. So that while true and that semicolon and give it enter, and you have to write in the correct index and give it here answer is equal to, just I am giving here A and S as answer, is equal to input the strings. If you want to generate OTP S or no, if you just say S, I want to give a function. So this is the while loop, and OTP S or no. Can give in a semicolon and give some space, because if we don't give the space, then which we give the input, it will be attached to our sentence, and to avoid it here I am giving the space. And now give the if function. If answer is equal to, here we are using double equal operator, and give the string codes, and then write S. If you want to give that YES also you can use, and semicolon enter. You have to keep it in the correct index. So here one more thing, that if we are giving that input function, then it will take the input which we given all in the string data type. So that here also I am giving that if answer is equal to, double equal operator in the double quotes string. And then semicolon and write our function. Now let's take the another input, that digits is equal to input, because if you want to 4 digits OTP or 6 digits OTP, I want to ask. So how many digits OTP you want to generate, 4 or 6? Now let's create another if function. If digits is equal to double equal operator, every time here we have to use, and quotes 4, and then here if digits is equal to 4, then I want to print 4 digits OTP. For that, digit 1 equal to random.randend 0, 9. So if we give all the digit 1, digit 1, digit 1 as 4 digits, then if in one time when we run, digit 1 will be given as a one random value, and it will take in that 4 times, like digit 1 plus digit 2 plus, I mean like that. If digit 1 equal to 2, then it will give the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, like that, 4 digits. So to avoid that, here I am using digit 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Here I am using 4 variables. Okay. So digit 1 equal to random dot rand in 0, 9, and like that digit 2, 3 and 4 also. Okay. Now let us print the digit 1 plus digit 2 plus digit 3 plus digit 4. Here we have to consider another thing, that here the random dot random comma, I mean 0, 9 will be given integer value. If we print digit 1 plus digit 2 plus digit 3 plus digit 4, it will give, suppose the random values are 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So I want to mention the value side by side, so that I am here changing the integer value to string. Before that, let's write the elif digits is equal to 6. So if digits equal to 6, I want to print digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So here first we can change it into the string, then we can easily copy and paste it here. Okay. In the previous videos we have already discussed about, I mean when we are discussing about the string data type, we have already seen that how the string plus operator function is working. So all the digit 1 to 4 change it into the string data type. Here while printing digit 1, 2, 3, 4, I want that your OTP was something like that. So here I am just giving OTP was and semicolon and space without attaching them. Now give a plus symbol here, because I want to show that OTP was, and then beside that our OTP. And next let's write the code for 6 digits OTP and copy that and paste it in elif digits is equal to 6, and also add the digit 5 and digit 6. And also write the digit 5 and digit 6, and here in print also add the digit 5 plus digit 6. Now let's go and write elif function if answer is equal to no, because before we have given that if answer equal to yes, we have given the code. Now let's take in the correct index and write that elif answer is equal to no. Then I want to give a function. Okay. So now let's write it if answer is equal to no in double quotes. Don't forget it. And click on enter. Maintain the index correctly, and now write it that break. I mean if answer equal to no, then just break it. Else if we given another arguments, something like except s and no, we are giving something like hi, hello or something like h, g, any other keys, then it want to be run. So for that, if else then true, I mean when it is true, again the function will be run. So I want to show a statement that print something went wrong. Then if we given something other arguments other than yes or no, then I want to give a statement that something went wrong. So this is our code. First save it, Control S, and go and click on run option, run module. So here you can see that if you want to generate OTP, yes or no. Here I am giving yes. and I want to check that 4-digit OTP first. So how many digits you want to, 4 or 6? 4. So here it given that 877, it's a random value, and I'm giving here S again and 6 digits. So here it is printed that randomly 6 digits OTP. And if you want to generate OTP, yes or no, here I'm giving something like argument GH. So here it is giving something went wrong, and I'm giving something like arguments hashtag. So here it giving again something went wrong. So here I am checking that option no. When we type the no, then it was breaking. So this is our OTP generator code. Please subscribe to our channel and like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.